Today we're going to address the rear wheel. This should be pretty much a repeat of the last video.
You mean out of focus? Focus? That, right there. Is that what that is?
I'll clean the chrome with a wire brush and citrus cleaner, and then polish it with chrome polish and terry cloths. I like to leave the old tire on the rim during cleaning because it helps me to control the wheel. I'll put the wheel on a truing stand to see how bad it is. We'll do our best to make it as straight as possible. I'll replace the rim strip, tube, and tire. I'll use non-ammonia glass cleaner on the bead while mounting. I'm going to hold off on Mr. Sturmey and Mr. Archer until the next video. These rear hubs are quite complex and have many microscopic parts. I've lost quarter-inch washers out here. I'd prefer to do it in a hermetically sealed environment, or as close as I can get. I'd like to have a fighting chance to find the paw spring when I launch it. Okay, let's get started. What do you want first, the good news or the bad news?
Good news, please.
Good news? Well, the wheel is actually pretty true. It just needs a slight adjustment.
So, what's the bad news?
The bad news is corrosion. I mean, really bad corrosion. I took a wire wheel to it to see how much I could get off. It's really bad. Right in here you can see it's actually eating through the inner wall. For now I'll put some linseed oil on it and we'll just go from there. Well, the rear wheel came out. I don't know how good. With these old Schwinns, it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. So, what's next? We tackle Mr. Sturmy and Mr. Archer. Stay tuned. Well, that's all for now. And remember, it's only original ones. Take care.